My name is Rebecca Zipkin, and together with my colleague Jessica Morak, we are attorneys with Sanctuary for Families Campus Advocates Project. We are here today to tell you about some of the changes to the Title IX regulations that have come out from Betsy DeVos and the Trump administration.
We at the Campus Advocates Project are concerned that survivors will be left underprotected by these new rules and regulations, and that we will once again return to an era where gender-based violence was largely ignored on college campuses and the voices of survivors were silenced.
For one, the threshold for what will be considered sexual harassment has been raised, and the new definition will force students to endure repeated and escalating levels of harassment before they can seek help. Under this new definition, schools will not be obligated to investigate any unwanted sexual conduct that they feel does not meet this new standard.
The new rules also give schools the option of implementing a higher standard of proof known as clear and convincing evidence. This subjects survivors to more scrutiny and a greater burden of proof than other types of cases. Hearings under the new rules may look very different than they had previously. There is a new mandate that schools make it possible for each case to have a live hearing with cross-examination. A party's advisor will be the person to conduct the cross-examination and to ask the questions. If any party does not have an advisor, the new regulations require that the school provide one. That person might be an attorney, and they might not.
Previously, many schools had investigated conduct that occurred while students were outside the United States, especially on study abroad programs. These types of cases will no longer be investigated because the new rule states that Title IX only applies to people in the United States.
The new rules may also affect a school's responsibility to investigate misconduct that occurs in privately owned apartments or housing that is off campus or unaffiliated with the school. This is a drastic change. It's especially worrisome for survivors at city-based schools where most misconduct happens off campus. Legal representation and advice will be even more crucial under this new regime.
The Campus Advocates Project provides legal representation to student survivors of gender-based violence.
We are here to help. Please contact the Campus Advocates Project to learn more about our services. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.